accidentally nuked your Chrome history and need to recover that vital link you forgot to bookmark. Let's explore how to potentially unearth your deleted searches. First, click the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. This opens the Chrome menu. From this menu, hover over History and then select History again in the submenu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H on Windows or Command-E on Mac. Next, if you are logged into your Google account while browsing, a significant portion of your search history might be linked to your account activity. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account and open the account activity page. Within your Google account activity, you can filter by date and product, specifically focusing on Chrome and Google search. This can reveal previously deleted search queries. Finally, while less reliable, data recovery software may sometimes retrieve fragments of deleted browsing data. It's important to note that its effectiveness can vary depending on how long ago the data was deleted and your system's configuration. Remember to be extremely careful when downloading programs. So, while recovering deleted Chrome history isn't always guaranteed, these methods offer potential pathways to retrieve your lost data. Good luck, and don't forget to bookmark those important links next time.